Hello guys, welcome back to another informative video on business topics. In today's video, we will explain to you what is NFT and what can we do with it. So in the first, we will discuss what NFT is. The concept is pretty simple. NFT stands for non-fungible token. NFTs are the token that we can use to represent ownership of unique items. An NFT is a digital asset that represents real-world objects like art, music, in-game items, and videos. They are bought and sold online, frequently with cryptocurrency, and they are generally encoded with the same underlying software as many cryptos. After knowing this, a reasonable question comes to our mind. Anyone can view the individual images, or even the entire collage of images online for free. So why are people willing to spend millions on something they could easily screenshot or download? So the answer is that an NFT allows the buyer to own the original item. Not only that, it contains built-in authentication, which serves as proof of ownership. Collectors value those digital bragging rights almost more than the item itself. Hope you will find this video informative. Stay tuned for the upcoming video on how to make money with NFTs. Don't forget to like and subscribe.